This is a landscape and drainage and hardscape project that we just finished up in Clarendon Hills. This is a new construction, and we regraded and sodded everything in the back, getting it ready for the landscaping in the spring, and also did some light landscaping. But then a big thing that we did was when they did the construction, we were able to install all the drainage properly before doing the sod, so they don't have to spend money later on that, and redirected it to the back, and then graded everything along the side here and installed all new sod. You can see the catch basins underneath the downspouts there to filter out any debris that gets in there. And then we installed a permeable driveway in the front here and did the walkway tying into the front porch. And the unique thing about this driveway is it's a permeable driveway. So when it rains, the water's gonna flow through these joints here and go down into the drainage system that's underneath the driveway here. And it flows right through the middle, and then it all drains to the low point down here. And then it's tied into a system that goes into the storm sewer over here and redirects all of the water into the storm sewer. Our team did a wonderful, wonderful job here, and I'm super grateful how everything turned out.